Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share a document on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should either go to the Browse section or the Collections section down below in the left side corner, or in the middle of the screen. You can find these two sections, and then you should select the document that you would like to share. So tap on the three dots icon in the right side and tap on the Share button, which is the first option. And as you can see, you can invite collaborators by tapping on the Invite Collaborators button, or if you tap on the Link button, you can enable the link so that you can copy the link, or tap on the Send Link button, and you will be able to forward it via AirDrop, Messages, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, and other social networking sites. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.